everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you take your board data backup. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser, search Trello.com and open your Trello's workspace. And after getting into your Trello's workspace, you just have to move forward and open up your workspace. Tap on your board, so your interface like this. Now you have to move forward. In terms to move forward, you just have to tap on three dots in the right of your screen. Tap on more. As you can see, you have numbers of options. Tap on print and export, and in print and export you will find the option of export as CSV. Tap on it and it will take you to your Excel file. That is how you can take Trello's data backup. I hope you like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for watching it. By following these steps, you can take Trello's data backup.